Hi, I'm MB Nirmal, founder Exnora. I have an important message to share with you. You'll be seeing a video after my very brief talk now. These two videos is on Temple of Temples. You may wonder what is a Temple of Temples. It is inside my flat, a residential flat. I have 10 temples of 10 faiths. To start with, house church, house mosque, house Buddha Vigara, house Jain Mandir, house Lord Krishna temple, house Lord Shiva temple, the 10 temples of 10 faiths. I got a spark. I want to explain you what made me to have this, so many 10 house churches, or 10 temples of 10 temples. All of you know what happened in Sri Lanka. After the LTT Supremo Prabhakaran was eliminated, the Rajapakse brothers, Mahinda Rajapakse, Gotabaya Rajapakse, they turned their attention against, I would say, all the religious minorities. They started attacking, killing. In fact, the killed were, genocide happened, all of you know, the genocide, the killed were Hindus, Muslims and Christians, I would like to say. And in fact, when I wrote to US government, they called me US Congress to address. And they demolished 2,000 Hindu temples, 500 churches, 120 mosques, including Dargah. Their motive in law, they say, mensria, mental element, was not ethnic cleansing, but religious minorities cleansing. And a very important aspect here, why it's not ethnic cleansing, they also destroyed the singular Christian churches. They killed the singular Christian priests. And the Hindu Brahmin priests also were killed. It's all there on record, you can go and see. So this is a kind of a horror. It's an attack against the three major religions of the world. But really, if you look at it, the attack was on Buddhism. Because Lord Buddha said, hate is like holding a burning coal on your hand. It will hurt you first. So they destroyed Buddhism, the beautiful philosophy of Buddha and Lord Buddha, and did that. And Gotabaya Rajapakse, who was Secretary Defense, he made an announcement: no more temples, churches, and mosques we will not allow, because singular Buddha nation. And as the government was not giving permission to construct churches and mosques, what the Christians and Muslims did, they allotted a part of their house to become a church, or part of the house as a mosque. So the Christians, for example, the reception hall, they consider it a church, and there will be weekly prayers will take place, sermons will take place. They called it house church. Same thing with regard to Muslims, house mosque, namaz will take place. But this Gotabaya Raja got angry, and he instigated the Buddhists, Puddu Balasena. They all went with sticks and iron rods, went to the house church and house mosque when the Sunday prayers are taking place. They'll go there in large number, and they clubbed to death many Christian priests and devotees, including singular Christians and devotees and priests. Same thing happened to the Muslims who were worshipping in their home. This was kind of a very atrocious thing happened at the instance of Gotabaya Rajapakse. And once I saw that, read that, I felt so sad about it. In fact, my philosophy is, I respect my faith, I equally respect your respect for your faith. So I know well, Hindu, Muslim, Christians and other religions, we are all interdependent, mutually connected. And one is dependent on another. Such being the case, when other religious minorities were singled out and attacked, I thought I will do something better and teach a lesson to Gotabaya Rajapakse and Mahinda Rajapakse. So in my flat, I have, as I told you, 10 temples of 10 faiths, including church, mosque. I told you other, but very often, particularly children come, fall their face, and they do prayer. We conduct a number of prayers, and when they do the prayer, at the end of the prayer, we assemble at the lobby, and they all hug each other and say, we are one. All religions, even Sikhs come and take, we have a house Gurudwara. But here, what I want to say that religious tolerance, when the people come, even Christians and Hindus say, first check up with Muslims, what time, because Muslims, 5 times they do namaz, but they have a particular time. So other people adjust their time to suit the time of their Muslim brothers. So this is a kind of a new culture we are developing, mutual tolerance, and an eye for eye will make the whole world blind. In fact, the people who divide us, they are safe and secure. They enjoy security, but ordinary men, the two poor, are killed when the religious clashes come. So I call myself oneness messiah. That's what so I do. That I'm very happy that all of you see the video, and you are all welcome. With other people of other faiths, and when you do prayer, the prayer topic can be same. Let us say pollution reduction, or women's safety, children's safety. So we give one topic, and they all pray for that. So I think the prayers have answers. All of you know, more things are achieved by prayers than the world can dream of. So I want to say best wishes. Kindly see and do share with your friends. That's how the fragrance of oneness should be taken to nook and corner. Thank you.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
ॐ अरुणाचलेश्वराय नमः. ॐ अरुणाचल
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि
हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण
ॐ नमो हरिहन्ताणं ॐ नमो सिद्धाणं ॐ नमो
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and click the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. In case you have missed any videos, please visit the channel page by clicking the channel icon.